Okay, here is my Western 33 fireplace insert review. And it is very pretty. I have a screen, fireplace screen on it right now that just opens up like this. And then you can see that it looks pretty real to me. I like it a lot. I liked that they had a review on here so I could see it, and I just decided I'm going to do a review because it's so helpful in trying to make a decision on which one to buy. And this one I am very happy with. I have it on morning till night, and I really love it. We haven't even used the heat yet. I just put it on for just because it looks pretty. So here is the remote right here, and there's the power on and off, and then that setting, and then the flames, that's low, off. There's with a little bit of blue in it. I like it just that one right there. And then the heat on low, off, low, and high right there. What else? It's really cool, really easy to put in. I'm going to shut this, and then you can see when I move this out, this just comes right out, and you can see that it just slides right in, which is really nice if we have to fix it on anything on it. It just slides right out. Put this back, and it's really simple. I really like it. 5 stars definitely, and I really enjoy coming down and turning it on and sitting in front of the fireplace and all that. And my little puppy Shiloh enjoys it too. We like the fireplace? Do we like the fireplace? Yeah, we do. Okay, thank you.